Today, I'm going to show you how I quickly capture ideas, tasks, and notes into Notion so nothing ever gets lost and my second brain stays organized. Capturing quickly is the key to staying productive. If you spend time thinking about where to put something or how to organize it later, you're wasting energy. With a simple system in Notion, you can capture anything in seconds and sort it out later. The first step is to create a dedicated inbox page. This is a place where everything goes first: tasks, random ideas, meeting notes, links, or anything you want to remember. Keep it super simple, just a blank page or a basic database with columns like item, type, date, and priority. The idea is speed. When something comes to mind, you can open Notion, add it, and move on. Next, I use a mobile-friendly setup. On my phone, I keep this inbox page at the top of my sidebar or even as a widget on my home screen. This way, whenever I'm out, on a call, or walking between meetings, I can tap, type, and capture without navigating through multiple pages. The goal is to remove friction so adding items is instant. For tasks, I use a simple template button in my inbox database. With one tap, it creates a new task with pre-filled properties like status, due date, and priority. I just type the task name and hit save. For notes or ideas, I have a separate template for quick text entries. Sometimes it's just a thought or a link, but capturing it immediately ensures it doesn't get lost in emails, messages, or sticky notes. Once items are in the inbox, I review them at the end of the day or week. I sort them into the proper pages, link them to projects, or assign due dates. This is where the second brain magic happens. Your inbox is just a temporary holding place, and everything eventually finds its right spot. By separating capture from organization, you reduce mental load and increase speed. Another tip is to use tags or categories while capturing. You don't need to overthink it, just a quick label like task, idea, reference, or meeting is enough. Later, you can filter and move things into the right databases without having to guess what it is. Finally, make capturing a habit. The faster you get at adding items, the less mental energy you spend remembering them. Open Notion, type it in, and keep going. Over time, your inbox fills with all your thoughts, tasks, and ideas, and your second brain starts working for you instead of you working for it. By setting up a quick capture system in Notion, you ensure nothing slips through the cracks, your workflow stays smooth, and you have a reliable space to store everything, ready to be organized when you're ready. Capture fast, organize later, and watch your productivity soar.